Is corrosion. What is a corrosion? We see that the metals like iron, silver, copper, all are shining. But when it is left for some time, then it is changes its color. In case of iron, you see that becomes reddish brown. In case of silver, it becomes black, and in case of copper, it becomes green. So, this is due to the attack of moisture around the metals in the environment. Moisture, acids, they attack and corrode the metals. So, this process is called corrosion. This process is called corrosion. And this damage the car bodies, bridges, iron railings, ships, these are damaged by the effect of corrosion. The silver articles become black after some time when it is exposed to air. Copper reacts with moist carbon dioxide in the air and slowly loses its color, its shining, and becomes green. And iron, when exposed to moist air for a long time, it is coated with brown flaky. This is called rust. In case of iron, this is rust. And this process of corrosion of iron is called rusting. So, rusting is a special case of corrosion in case of iron. So, corrosion of iron is called rusting. So, as we know that the corrosion damages the metals like car bodies, vehicle bodies, bridges, railings. So, it is necessary to prevent it, the corrosion. So, it is prevented by painting, oiling, greasing, galvanizing. There are many methods to prevent the corrosion. Now, what is galvanization? Galvanization is a method of protecting steel and iron from rusting by coating them with a layer of zinc. स्टील और आयरन पर एक जिंक का लेयर चढ़ा दिया जाता है. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड गैल्वेनाइजेशन. और ऐसा करने से वो रस्टिंग से बचता है. नाउ एलॉइंग. एलॉइंग इज ए गुड मेथड फॉर इंप्रूविंग द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ए मेटल. Iron is a widely used, but it is never used in pure state because pure iron is very soft. When a small amount of carbon, very small amount, 0.05% is mixed with iron, then iron becomes hard and strong. So we use the iron which is mixed with the carbon. We cannot use the pure iron because that is very soft. When iron is mixed with nickel and chromium, we get stainless steel. And stainless steel does not get rusted. So when iron is mixed with nickel and chromium, this is called stainless steel. So when some other substance, other metals are mixed with then the mixture of the metal, then the property of the main substance, the original substance, is changed. When something is mixed in the original substance, then it becomes mixture. So the property is changed. The new substance property is changed. The substance added may be metal or non-metal. what is an alloy, not what is an alloy. Alloy is a substance added, it is a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, or a metal or a non-metal. It is a homogeneous, alloy is a homogeneous mixture of two metals or one metal or one non-metal. So first it is, how it is prepared? By first melting it. The main metal is melted and then it is dissolved in the other elements in a definite proportion, and then it is cooled at room temperature. Now let us see the case of pure gold. Pure gold is 25 carat, that is the unit of gold, the purity of gold. But 25 carat gold is very soft and we cannot make the jewelries, ornaments with 24 carat gold. So it is mixed with silver or copper. Then it becomes hard and we can make jewelries and ornaments. 22 carat gold is used for making ornaments. So that 22 parts of pure gold alloyed with 2 parts of copper or silver. Now the alloy, in case of alloy, we see that two metals or one metal and one non-metal. But in the special case, when the one metal is mercury in alloy, then that particular alloy is called amalgam. So amalgam is a special case of alloy. Electrical conductivity and melting point of an alloy is less than that of pure metal. So pure metal, already told you that when two metals are mixed, then the properties changes. The properties change. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc, and bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. They are good conductors of electricity. The original substance, that copper, is good conductor of electricity, but this mixture is not good conductor of electricity. Now solder. Solder is an alloy of lead and tin. It has very low melting point. That's why it is used for welding, because it has very low melting point, just very less heat. It melts, and that's why it is used for the welding of electrical wires. Now the method of preventing of the corrosion is not only for the modern days. This is very from ancient and very old time. Cannot say the ancient, but very old time, and it is in practice, and that is the case of, we see that the iron pillar near Qutub Minar. The iron pillar near the Qutub Minar. This was made, the iron pillars were near Qutub Minar, it was made in 1600 years ago. And the technique was used to prevent the rusting of iron pillars. And there are 8. The iron pillar is, the height is 8 meter and the weight is 6 ton, that is 6000 kg. So all those pillars were iron pillars near the Qutub Minar. It was had the technique was applied to prevent the rusting of those iron pillars. So this is the wonder of ancient Indian metallurgy. 1600 years ago, we must be proud of the Indian workers that time, that how the Indian workers used that time to stop the rusting of iron. That is still, that is, we see that the iron pillars is standing erected for 1600 years. So this is all about corrosion, prevention of corrosion, and various techniques to for the prevention of corrosion. That's all. Thank you.